Are you guys in Costco? $25. We finally got the Disney Halloween. They have the Nightmare Bowl, and a Mickey Mouse. And the rugs are still here. They're gonna be 15. Tons of plants right now, $29.99. Look at all this stuff. Pretty greenery. I do love greenery. Oh, that's kind of cool. Dried cranberries are going to be $5.99 right now. They're non-GMO, so they're going to be $4 off. They do end on the 25th. Chili pineapple. My son actually likes this. I haven't tried it yet, but I do have some at home. I try it. It's going to be $10. I'm going to finish this row right here because it's really empty today. $11.99. We got nutty and fruity. We have the jackfruit. Is this the smelly one that people say it smells, but it's really good? $11.99 for a 20 ounce. And then next to me, $8.49 on the organic coconut rolls. I am going to grab these. These are perfect for lunch and school right now. $10. We have the nutty and fruity chili. I'm really tempted to try these. Maybe I'll get my son to eat them first. He's a foodie, so I can't, you know what I mean? $12.69 here. We have organic dried strawberries. And then if you want blueberries by Kirkland, they're $10.99 for a 20 ounce. Tangerine, which I like when they put it in trail mix, but they don't. So I'm going to grab this one, $8.89 here. And then we have tart cherries. These are $8 for a 20 ounce. Dried mangoes are $12.99 right here, and they do have the organic mango bites, which are $10.99, and they come in individual bags, which is pretty good too. Again, grab and go for school and work. The organic dried mangoes are $18.89. I think these are new here. I've never seen the dried mangoes, but if you do have a dehydrator, this would work perfect. My dad used to have one when I was growing up, and they used to make like jerky and all this stuff. And my my stepmom and stuff would always do like apples. I don't know, she made them kind of weird, so I didn't care for them. But the Skittles are still here, which is $12.49. Bagel mix is $7.99 for the chips and stuff. This is great with like salami or like hard salami. Keto snacks are $12.99 here. We have pecan, hazelnut, cheese bite, Brazil nuts, and macadamia. They're $12.99. And then sweet heat, $9.69, which I've been craving because normally Kroger has like a good like spicy trail mix, and I can't find it anymore. I may pick this one up. It's $9.69. And if you want the pub mix, $8.99. Grass-fed beef jerky. We have mango habanero, 10 grams of protein, 1 pounder, $18 for a 16 ounce. And then the minis are $11.99 right now. Well, this one ends September 1st. I am going to pick up a box because I just bought some Triscuits at Walmart. So they're like $3.69 a box now. So this is $8.99 from $11.50. Ends on the 1st of September. And wheat thins are $9.49, and we have cheddar. You get 45 on the go packs, $12.99, and these are bags, and they're $11.79. Panda is $10. You can also find a mini box in Aldi. So yeah, you get 32 in here. Okay, Unreal here is $11.89. We have caramel peanut nougat. You're in the market for that. There's no limit. This one ends September 15th. And this one's going to be new. Pouch milk. Is that like a mix? I don't know. But it got milk, vanilla, dark vanilla, white caramel, milk hazelnut, dark raspberry, white mocha. I'm honestly not too sure what this is right here. Oh, this says mixed though, so I thought it was like something you put like in a drink, but it's not. Okay, and this one is $6.97 right here. Chocolate chip mini butter cookies. It looks like you get like a little over 200. The gummy nerds are still $7.97, which again still is a pretty good price because I believe right now in Sam's Club these are a little more. And then $11.59 still. And $11.50. I want to say maybe same price in Sam's Club on the Cakesters. Now, are these good? Like, I'm actually trying to stay away from junk food because I've been really snacky, so I don't really buy junk food. But oh gosh, I was trying to think like for kids and stuff, but I probably would pass just because it's chocolate, and I know this gets stuck in like everyone's teeth and stuff. And yeah, $11.50 here. Okay, on these sweaters for children, they do have Champions. It's 2-piece fleece set. We might have seen this. You do get a jogger and leggings. Oh yeah, it's really cute. Isn't so cute in his little jogger? It's cute. Cute. They got blue, purples, and pinks for ya. I might have shared this already. We got the Marvel. Oh yeah, this is a 3-piece sweater set. Man, getting ready, but like it is still scorching, you guys. Still scorching. I mean, the temperature is like low in the lows, but not 90s or anything, but like low hundreds. But it is like so hot. 15 right here. And this one's a little different. This is the Puma, and I think it's like a sweater vest. Yeah, and then you get like the leggings. I did show this one. Very 80 vibes right here. It's 20. But I like this green one. This is kind of cute, I think. Okay, these jackets are out. These are by 32 degrees. Okay, no. Which one's by 32 degrees? And then they have the Tommy one. The Tommy one might be the reds over here. Oh, nope, they have it in white. So got white, red, and of course they always bring out the navy blue. So $35 for Tommy. Let me pull one out. Okay, now the 32 degree one has to be this way. Like these easy, like crinkle ones, you know? Yeah. 25, you just like crinkle it up and throw it in your bag. These Nike bottoms are 20, which I do feel like is a ripoff. So I'm just gonna be like really honest with that, because Nike bottoms, like the Puma and stuff and Calvin Klein, you could get them in a set. So sometimes I do feel like some stores, especially like discounted stores, are starting to separate them. But I'm pretty sure you can find a really cute set in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. But yeah, so they should have been together. They got blue and white here, and these are going to be 15. Now these are long sleeve and short sleeve, so you get 2 for $18. I kind of like that print of Adidas. And then we have the stripe one. And then we turn it around. And then like that. Okay, put it back for her. I'm kind of glad they're just like these folding over ones. Like when you have to unfold a whole shirt, I don't do it because I really suck at folding. And then the blue one. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, we have the men's active jogger. They're 17. Got blue. They're by Spider though. So here's what they look like. Blue and black. If you want the zip, 1/4 zip, $13.99. Gonna be $14. Here's what it looks like. It comes like in a blue and a light tan. They do have the men's pant by 32 degrees. It feels really different this time around. It's like a weird, it's like a, not cotton, it's like cotton. It's like a weird, it's not a sweatpant. It's more, kind of feels like twill. I don't know how to explain that. But $13.99. It's a different fabric. I don't know if you'll like it though. And these are back. Might as well go ahead and stock up. They're 15. Okay, there is some cereal, $8.49 here. So you have Trix and Cocoa Puffs, they're $8.49. Again, I want to say same price in Sam's Club. Cereal has just gone up in price, you know, no matter if you just buy one box or even in bulk. Okay, I want to check by the book, so I'm going to go up front to the beauty because there was nothing else new. Okay, the counter one I know we've seen before. Have you seen this one? Pretty 360 Mediterranean. Yeah. Food to die for. It's like stories. Just tells you about the person who made these. I think. I was just trying to scan real quick. Grannies. Okay, nothing too new. Let me go by the front, you guys. Doritos are $4.99 right now, ends on the 9th. This is okay. I think I did try it. I think it needs a little more kick. $5.99 right now. Cup of noodles are $8.49. They both. This one ends on the 8th. Okay, I don't see anything too new. This is still $35 right here. The face oil, the neck is $39.99. All right, you guys. This might. Yep, that's gonna do it. All right, that's gonna do it for Costco. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Now this is $22.99, ends on the 22nd.